Alicia Keys has a new book, and it's on the Oprah imprint. And I got to tell you, she has some wise words. I love this on page 205. Our family has become the definition of a successful blend. When you love someone, you love their journey. And that path leads you to the family dynamic you were meant to inherit and devote yourself to. Wise words, Alicia Keys. You can download it right now.
I'm doing spaghetti carbonara for the first time. Thank you, Jamie Oliver. Watch the recipe on YouTube. Now, here's the problem part, I think. See, I'm mixing the water. I'm not doing the water part good. Here, there, go.
This is a safe situation?
This is a safe situation. This is cool. Very nice.
The timer went off.
Jamie,
So that was 10 minutes.
Huh?
For whatever you needed the 10
Well,
minutes.
I just decided that I could not.
You didn't wait?
I did not wait because I don't like my pasta to be too.
You want to
Here we
do a
go.
little
Now, according to Jamie, now I'm supposed to do this part. But you got to be careful because you don't want it frying. You want it quiet. He says quiet. Thank you, Jamie Oliver. Too much frying. Okay. Quiet. You don't want the egg to turn into like egg foo young or something. You don't want egg on the noodles. So you just want to, okay, let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, Jamie. Doesn't look exactly like yours, but okay. I think it's good. There's the bacon. This is good. Oh, this is good. All right. Okay. Yep, I think I need a little more water too. Jamie says more water. There we go.
How much more?
Yeah. No, it's good. Good. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Oh God, I forgot the pepper.
Oh.
You said the pepper was the most important part. Okay. I was supposed to add the pepper to the bacon, but okay, it's okay. Okay. Good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna add some truffle. It's gonna be great. All right, done. Pretty good though. Look at that. Come on, pretty good. Hey.
Hey.
All right.
We see you, bacon.
We see you. We see you, bacon. We see you. I think I did okay.
So how does it feel?
I forgot to add salt. I don't think you said salt, but okay. I forgot to add salt. I think.
We always add salt.
Oh God. I think it's looking.